Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Put It by the Wall.
The number one podcast nowhere
Nowhere
in the world.
Today, we have. I want to preface this by saying I did extensive research on this young gentleman. I've been binge listening to his songs all day, and there's a few that's gonna go on the playlist. I have to say that we have a gentleman who is a Rasta legend in the making. His music is filled with his life story.
Preach.
It's filled with you can feel his closeness to his spirituality.
Preach.
And also it's here just to give good vibes. We have none other than Easy CPT.
Whoop whoop. You good, my brother?
Oh, I was wondering.
Alright. Much love, Konangs. Give thanks.
How are you, my brother?
How are you doing?
I'm good. Always under the fears of the Father. So yeah, there's no complaints. Can't complain. Pushing through.
Amen. Amen.
Here we go. How's your week been so far? Do we remember we did a podcast now Tuesday and I was like, how was your week? And it was in the
this is
beginning
mine,
of the
but actually it's been productive. Put it like that. It's been productive. Okay, that's an announcement for later on, but we're getting somewhere. But okay.
week. Are you saving something for later?
Yeah.
Okay,
for the
let's
peoples,
go.
for the peoples to add value and
And
to help the youth.
before we get into the nitty gritties of things, how has your week been so far, my bro?
My week is... Het was een beetje rustig geweest. Ik heb mezelf gezegd, die week had ik een beetje een break vat van die music af.
Lekkertjes.
Net een beetje weer reality-wise focus en zo.
Get back in
Snap
touch.
back to reality een beetje en zo. Kom ze weet. En die liever kan ze niet jouw roots vergieten.
Never true.
Ze jouw roots vergieten en dan is ze eindelijk bezig om jezelf te verloren. Verstaan ik koning. So ja, mijn week was maar rustig geweest.
Lekker.
Nog maar gefocust op muziek. Ik heb vandaag een beetje ingetipt in een nieuwe dansel, ietsie geschreven.
Hey.
So hij zoekt in die pipeline, ja.
Hey.
Nice.
So, ja, ik geef net alle prijzen en thanks en toe Rastafari.
Amen.
Want Rastafari is altijd daar voor mij, man. Verstaan?
Lovely.
So,
I want you guys to take note of this.
Question first though.
Cover it.
How was your week?
How was
Since
your week?
Tuesday.
My week has been so I do intermittent fasting and today was tough and yesterday was tough.
Is
I was seeing a bit stars earlier on.
isn't that maybe why you were a bit lightheaded?
No,
earlier?
it was definitely that's why I needed to just snack something. Yeah, guys, I almost fainted here.
Look, if you go back to the December episode, you will see, not December, to the January episode, you will see the sweater was not so loose as it is here
Yeah.
now. Look here now, no?
Boobies is a A cup now.
It was looking tight. It was looking like the Rock, but
Yeah.
not.
But what I was saying was, you see, guys, so this is the podcast where the man come chill, they come relax, to come have a conversation with the gents. And I think we bring the good vibes, if I do say so myself. And I think the people we have on the podcast brings the vibes. Like we've had a lot of comments and stuff about the people we've had on the podcast, or specifically a person we had on the podcast before. But and we're trying to get on the podcast now, which is Clayton McKenzie. I'm just gonna say it. Right?
Yes, man.
So we're
Wanna
trying to
was
get
a-
Clayton McKenzie on the
Of course,
podcast. No?
controversy.
But the comments went a bit crazy. It was like, who do we think we are, and all the stuff like that. And my response to that lady was, I think it's a lady, was, I'm a child of God. But on a serious note, we think that we just took it as an opportunity to speak to someone of Clayton McKenzie's caliber. You know what I'm saying?
Honorable Gaitan McKenzie.
Honorable. Ooh, yeah, they got me with that also in the comment section. Honorable Gaitan McKenzie. So to get into it, as we know, you're a musician. You've been doing it for a while. We can tap into, if you can tell us how long you've been doing it, and also what made you get into music.
yeah, to be honest with you guys, music has always been part of me. See, all my life. It started in school. See,
I think that's a theme. though.
and I was always like cupping beats on the tables. And
Yo,
singing in the class en like daai so die kinders van my al begin kolleeg ken het man, like die bro, hy doen sy ding man, hy like sing en hy likes rap en so, verstaan die koning en ek het baie Cream sien se music geluister.
Yo, that's top 5 for me, bro.
That's
Om
man.
eerlik te
Even
wees.
top 3.
Ja, en ek het hy man se music vir jare geluister. Verstaan die koning. En die vader het dit so uitgesit dat hy stief vir bliksemstraal. Verstaan die koning. Musically. Verstaan die koning. Toe ek maar kon found like ja, but die bro het nie wat bliksem weer het nie man. Verstaan die koning en hy is like het vir my like tot op realization gekom. Die man feed eintlik die soul heeltyd man. Met sy music wat ek luister. Ek het hom nie eens baie geluister nie.
Who are you referring to now? Bliksem.
Bliksemstraal is. Ek het hom nie eens baie geluister nie. Is maar hier en daar af en toe wat ek hom geluister het, maar aan mekaar as ek die man luister, is dit amper soos as 'n burning fire wat binne my is man, verstaan die koning en die man se music slaan my hart jong. Verstaan die koning en ek ook maar net mis ja vir sê jy is maar tyd om vir jou ook om maar net uit die boks uit te step.
There we go.
Sy het die aard, sy kan het doen, why not give it a try?
And see, and look where it is now, no?
En kyk hoeveel het dit nou vir my like gevat en so, maar die ding is die, wat ek ook myself gesê het, sy kan nie iemand anders visie. Verstaan die koning? According to, dat is maar wat die emperor van my kon teach.
100%.
According to the emperor say, you can't go out there and look for originality and then you duplicate it. Verstaan die koning?
Yo,
You must
say that again, you wanna clip it?
You can't go out there and look for originality and duplicate it. See? You must be the best version of yourself.
You know.
See the king. So, dat is een van die teachings wat van my like terug laat gesit het en
Profound,
gesê,
yeah.
yes, sy moet nie jouself wees, brother. Sy kan nie iemand anders wees nie. Although the artist is wat vir jou baie motivate, baie hulle help jou in waar die sy gaan, hoekom hulle music is therapy.
Yeah,
Verstaan die koning.
but they're not you.
Ek het groot respek vir hulle. Manne wat voor my aankom. Na respek aan die manne wat voor my aankom, wat die movement gestart het, wat het vere gevat het. Verstaan die koning. As ek nou name moet noem, man, gaan dit nie, daar is die einde aan het.
Ja,
As nog tyd
So, ek had die nog daar.
We're have a
Krappie
5-hour
verstaan.
podcast, yeah.
So ja. Basically, Cream en Bliksemstraal is die twee artists wat van my like heeltyd gemotiveerd het hier op die Kaapse vlakte.
Kwai.